Hello traders. The title of the video is ABC of technical trading tips and tricks. We want to talk about what I call the ABC of technical trading tips and tricks. This is not about the ABC pattern or ABC price structure. We are talking about ABC of technical trading. All right. So what I call the ABC of technical trading is that the price move up or down. So it move up. You see here? So it went up from here to here. That's what I call the A. That's the first event that we are calling A. The B is when the price slows down. So the price, there is a momentum, okay, increase in the momentum, and then we have a consolidation, or what we call a slowdown. That's the B. You can see here, it went up, that's A. It slowed down in the triangle, that's the B. What is the C? Well, here it is. Pay attention carefully. And you do not want to forget the C. And when you get that, all right, you'll be sending me email. You'll be contacting me at George Trio or email on Twitter. You'll be thanking me for telling you that you should never forget the C. The C is the high that the price has achieved when he was moving during the first session that we call A. So price went up, that's A. It slows down, okay. Now the C is the high that the price has achieved. The same thing is true in a downtrend. Price goes down, that's the A. And it slowed down, blah, 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 either consolidation or correction, and so on. That's the B. The C is what? The C in a downtrend is the lowest point during the A. You do not want to forget that C. With that, you'll be thanking me all your life. Why? Here it comes. You see here, A, B. That's the C there. You don't want to forget it. Because you do not want to forget it, you can highlight it and draw a line there. But in fact, it's a zone. Though you are drawing a line, you need to remember that it's a zone. So I can highlight it like this. Are you with me? Or are you against me? You are okay. Did I hear you are for me or you are against me? I can hear you say you are with me. Okay, good. Let's go together. All right, here it is. You don't want to forget the C. That's it. Why? Because excellent trading opportunity may take place at the point C when the C is in place. Here it is. And if you remember the ABC of technical trading, and you are applying it consistently, whether in an uptrend or a downtrend, you start improving your trading as a technical trader, as a TSTW24 trader, as a TSTWSY usual trader. Here again, we have another scenario, the ABC of technical trading. It went up. All right. Where's the B? The consolidation. Can be any consolidation, blah, blah, blah. That's the B, yes or no. Where is the C? Now you get it. Now you are with me. You are no more against me. Before you say, George, I will be always against you. And now you say you are with me. Now you're getting it. Good. That's the lie there. What do we need? It's a zone, yes or no. We need to draw a line there, but we know that it's a zone. What are we looking for? Trading opportunity when the price breaks above and returns in an uptrend. Here it is again, it comes to the same zone. So you can go on any chart, look at every financial instrument, okay? Whether you are trading currency, commodity, remember, okay, my ABC. All right? That's all. That's all. So I'm trying to change my financial instrument. It's not changing. Somebody hacked into my computer. I don't know why. There's nothing here. It's like hacking into a hole. There's nothing there. All right. So if you have hacked into my computer, please let me go. There's nothing there at all. You need to record videos for technical traders. So this is about the ABC of technical trading. Whether we are in an uptrend. You see, I'm changing it, but it's not giving me. Let's see. A new chart, you see, that's what I'm saying, you see now? And you understand when I say to you that they hack into, it's not me doing this here, it's happening automatically. You see, somebody somewhere is pressing B, so no worries, so, traders, all right? So this is about, okay, the ABC of technical trading. If you have any question or suggestion, complaint or lament, please put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been helpful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google, on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. All right? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4, Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW, 24 traders, talking about ABC of technical trading tips and trick. Happy trading to you all.